Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. This time guys is none other than number 103. This time guys we have a really cute sofa. I can't wait to open it up. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does giving how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This guys is the number 103. If you would like to see the previous 102 that we've unboxed, make sure to check out the playlist located in the ink cards in the end of this video. And well guys, here we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And of course guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's go ahead, let's open this up. And here it talks about a small German clinic. There you can see a doctor there with a nurse, patient, like a complete dentist office there. And then here I guess would be another wing of the hospital, with many beds for the sick patients there and a nurse. And down here it lists all of the different pieces and parts of the picture up above. And here guys, it teaches you how to make little hangers for clothes, which is pretty cool. It shows you all of the different parts that you'll need, all the different pieces you need, and shows you how to do it. That's pretty cool. I think it looks really epic. That's neat. I didn't expect them to show you how to do that. But well guys, as I always say with this collection, once we have the entire collection, guys, I will be walking you through how to do each one of these little projects, and we will be building the dollhouse together. So guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button, and guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like this unboxing, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course, guys, just so you know, in case you didn't hear in the previous of these unboxings, soon we will be finishing with this collection because there's only 120. So you guys are going to make sure to want to stay tuned, and you're not going to want to miss building the dollhouse. It's been, I don't know how long we've been with this collection, but it's been for quite a while and I'm pretty excited. I can't wait to build it with you guys. Well, with that being said, guys, now it's time to check out the new addition to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, I'm pretty excited about this, so let's go ahead and let's open up our brand new doll sofa. When I saw this in the kiosk, I was like super ridiculously happy because it's just too adorable. There. And for me, it's just too pretty. Just look at the little red roses on the blue background. It's just really nice. And then you have this like nice gathering here. The bottom is made out of, ooh, that wood is really nice. It's really soft. And it's really squishy too. And here's the side. And the back. It's just a really nice little doll sofa. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? Tell me down in the comments below. As always, I look forward to hearing from you guys. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post anything new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, down in the description below, I will have the links to all of my social media. So my Twitter, my Instagram, my Facebook, linked all down below. I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And of course, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Parchiner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.